student. In pharmacochemistry 2, today we are going to discuss a important point, organic reactions mechanism. What are the reactions which will be take place? We are discuss with their mechanism. In organic reactions and their mechanism, first we discuss what is a reaction, that is called typical reaction. In the typical reaction, there are first part is reactant. Under the condition, it will lead to form the product. In the typical reaction, the reactant may be a single molecule or a more than one molecule. That means attacking or reacting substance or reagent also act as a reactant. Product principally single, but byproducts may also form. Condition, the type of condition under which the reaction carried out, like catalysis, temperature, pressure, oxidation, reduction. These are the various type of conditions which will be takes place in the typical reaction. There is a structural theory behind the organic reaction. Reactions of organic compound will be based on their structure formula, essentially molecular in nature. The structural theory means a chemical behavior of organic compound determined by the functional group present in that molecule. In the organic reaction, easily interrupted by indicating the interaction between functional groups of the interacting molecule. The functional group behave differently under similar experimental conditions. The principle which will be behind the chemical reaction, for example, like the carbonyl group in aldehyde readily form addition compound like cyanohydrins. Carbonyl group present in carboxylic group. The barium atom in ethyl bromide easily replaced by hydroxyl group upon reaction with aqueous alkalis. Bromide in phenyl bromide could not exchange for the hydroxyl group under similar conditions. The fundamental aspects under the reaction, the mechanism means a organic reaction believed to take place by attacking of a reagent on a compound containing carbon designated as a substrate. Thus an organic reaction will be represented as means the attacking reagent with the substrate lead to form the product. Substrate may be defined as a reactant that contains carbon atom, some of whose bond with other atom are broken and some new one formed as a result of reaction with the attacking agent. The mechanism means the substrate under the intermediate, then it will lead to form the product. Carbon bond in the substrate molecule are broken to give the fragments, which are very reactive, constitute transitory intermediate that may react with similar species or molecule present in the environment, establish new bond to give the product. The mechanism include step. The step of a organic reaction means breaking and making of new bond of carbon atom in substrate lead to formation of a final product under the various type of condition. The attacking reagents bear either a positive or negative charge naturally would not attack substrate successfully unless the latter one possess oppositely charged center in the molecule. The electrically neutral must develop polarity on its carbon atom and their substitute for the link with the reagent. The displacement of bonding electrons resulting in development of polarity of the effect. Now, the displacement effects are of great significance understanding the reaction mechanism. There are electron displacement effects are there. The electron displacement mechanism frequently observed in the organic molecule having four types. These are called inductive effect, electromeric effect, mesomeric effect and hyperconjugative effect. So in case of inductive effect, this effect permanent where polarity is induced on carbon atom and the substitute attached to it due to minor displacement of the bonding electron pair caused by different electron negatives. The inductive effect or simply as I effect is known. The substituent linked to carbon is electron attracting, develop a negative charge said to exert negative inductive effect. If substituent bonded to carbon is electron releasing, it acquires a positive effect and is called inductive positive effect. The common group like electron attracting or electron releasing. The electron attracting are called a negative I effect, whereas electron releasing is known as positive I effect. Electromeric effects cause a temporary polarization in the substrate molecule and at the seat of multiple bond by shift of an electron from one atom to the under the influence of electrophilic reagent that is called electromeric effect. This effect may helpful to explain polarization produced in a substrate molecule contain multiple bond, whereas a double or triple bond exposed to attack by electrophilic reagent. A pair of bonding electron transfer completely from one atom to the another atom. The atom that takes charge of electron pair become negatively charged. On the other hand, that will be comes out as a positively charged. Electromeric reaction, as we see in the reaction, the substrate with the presence of electrophilic reagent added, then the reagent will be removed. This is purely a temporary effect, remains play only in presence of electrophilic reagent. The attacking agent is removed here and polarized molecule revert to its original electronic state. The mesomeric effect that affords another case of electron displacement in molecule cause permanent polarization. The electron displacement relay through pi electron of multiple bond in carbon chain of the molecule as the inductive effect which operate only those systems which extend chain with conjugated double bond. This region, the effect is also referred as a conjugative effect. Electron pumping or electron withdrawing group conjugated with pi bond or set a alternately arranged sigma bond. The electron displacement is transmitted through pi electron of the chain. Mesomeric effect as inductive effect may be positive or negative, denoted by positive M and negative mesomeric. A group or atom said to be positive mesomeric effect when direction of electron displacement is away from it. Such group are lone pair of electron furnish their pair for conjugation with an attached unsaturated system. This extends the degree of delocalization, bringing about stability of the molecule. On the other hand, a group or atom said to have negative mesomeric effect when direction of electron displacement is toward it. The groups such as carbonyl, nitrogen, negative mesomeric effect on in the presence of a highly electronegative atom like oxygen, nitrogen functioning as an electron sink. Hyperconjugative effect or hyperconjugation when an unsaturated system means there is a double bond between carbon and carbon atom attached with alkyl group becomes capable of releasing the electron. Entirely different from the inductive effect, the mechanism of electron release is called hyperconjugation. In this reaction, hyperconjugation requires a carbon-hydrogen bond at the alpha position of the double bond. Hyperconjugative effect results electron displacement toward the double bond carbon. Hyperconjugation effect takes place through the interaction of a sigma electron of the carbon hydrogen bond with the pi electron of the double bond. The 3 carbon hydrogen bond of the methyl group in propylene molecule contribute this effect. Another main point that is called bond fission or breaking of a bond. These are mainly two types. These are called homolytic bond fission and heterolytic bond fission. In case of homolytic bond fission, covalent bond joining two atoms undergo homolytic fission when each of the two departing atoms makes away with one of the bonding pair of electrons. In case of the heterocyclic bond fission, covalent bond break in a fashion both bonding electron taken or withdrawn by one or two departing fragments. These are either maybe an atom or a group. It is said to have undergone heterolytic bond fission. The homolytic bond fission results in the formation of free radical with odd number of electrons, and heterocyclic bond fission gave rise to formation of the ions. Carbonium ion or carbocation. This is an ion containing positively charged carbon center. When the center of a carbon atom is a positive, that is called carbonium cation or carbonium ion. In case of heterolytic fission of the bond, between carbon present in organic molecule. The atom X has greater electronegativity than the carbon atom. The former will take away the bonding electron pair and become negatively charged, while an ion bearing a positive on carbon charge is produced with known as carbonium ion. Generally, carbonium ions are named by adding the suffix, the name of the parent alkyl group like alkylium. Thanks a lot